Pitstop's predictive analytics solution has saved a transport fleet of 150 vehicles, focusing on nighttime deliveries, around $2,000 per year per asset.
So a great success story has been working with a group called Cardinal Couriers. They are a transport fleet of about 150 heavy-duty assets, and they're traveling between major cities, and they do deliveries over the road, but at night. So they avoid traffic and these kind of things. So when there's downtime, it's a huge pain because in the middle of the night, getting tow trucks out, getting service, all of these things is quite difficult. And so the outcomes have been our ability to predict various failures from starter motor failures, failed batteries, especially in the northeast of North America, the US and Canada. Cold temperature changes can really impact the electrical system. The other areas are the diesel exhaust system. We can estimate when things like the EGR need to be replaced, which can cause the engine to derate. So most of these emissions faults will cause the engine to derate, so we can get ahead of all of those issues. And so that equated to about $2,000 in savings per year per asset. And that again, over 25% in uptime generated for this fleet. And the way you're able to do this comparison and validation is by looking at previous months and years where there was no analysis to when there was analysis and them taking action. And you can do kind of an apples to apples comparison. So a lot of benefits there, but we're working with dozens of other fleets that are seeing similar results.